If you see someone breaking the mask rule in Omaha, you have two options. Right. Call the Douglas County Health Department. Perfect. Okay. Or Omaha Police. But odds are you'll get the same result.
But as we all know, there is no enforcement of this law. That is another reason why I believe the rates are going up. There's not been one citation issued under this ordinance.
Do you think businesses should be punished in some way if they're not following it, if they're repeat offenders?
That one's above my pay grade. So obviously we want to see as much as we can people be protected and businesses making sure that they comply and that the people who come in their businesses are complying. That's a critically important way to be able to protect everyone. But as far as, how strenuously that should be done, that one's really above my pay grade.
Andy Wessel supervises the COVID-19 line with the Douglas County Health Department. He says he doesn't have the authority to issue a citation. His job is to educate. If he comes across a business that is not enforcing the mandate, he passes the information along to Dr. Adipur or Omaha Police. We reviewed OPD's call records for the month of August. During that time frame, officers had to inspect 65 businesses. They had to check in more than once with 10 of those businesses, including restaurants, gas stations, and grocery stores. Those businesses took up more than 30% of the calls in August.
Is anyone asking Chief Schmaderer why the Omaha Police Department doesn't enforce this?
Last week, we asked OPD for an interview. They declined, stating officers have conducted compliance checks and have received cooperation if something needed to be addressed. But not everyone has cooperated. According to the department's records, on August 14th, police tried to educate an employee at a grocery store. The officer reported the employee became confrontational, stating he would not wear a mask. We emailed Omaha Police about this incident. They did not respond.
There is a community who simply refuses to respect the law. And that is on any number of issues in our society today. And nothing the government does or the city council does is going to change those few who choose to disrespect the law unless the law is enforced.
Also requested the Douglas Health Department's call log. The department denied our request. For more on this story and all of our investigative team stories, go to our website, 3newsnow.com. And if you have a story for the investigators, email it to investigate@3newsnow.com.